Aloha, fellow travelers at heart, and welcome to Disney's Aulani Resort and Spa on the beautiful Hawaiian island of Oahu. Whether you're planning your first trip to Aulani or you're just curious about what a Disney resort in Hawaii is like, then come along with us. And please consider subscribing so that you can see the rest of our Hawaii trip videos when we upload them. Thanks! We're starting out in the main lobby building of the resort, also called the Maka'ala. This is the guest services area where you will come to check in, and if you have any questions, there are cast members available to assist you at any point throughout your trip. In the main atrium, you'll find artwork inspired by the legends of the Hawaiian Islands. I really love that the space flows so beautifully from the indoors to the outdoors. The resort is kind of shaped like a horseshoe, so when you go out the back side of the lobby, you're facing the gardens and water park area, and all the way in the distance is the ocean. Then if you turn around and go back towards the front of the lobby, you are facing the Waianae mountain range. Now we're going to head towards the other side of the lobby where you'll find the souvenir and sundry stores at Aulani. The lobby is actually on the third level of the resort. So to get to the outdoor gardens, you must either take the stairs or the elevator down 2 levels. If you come down the stairs near the Halemanu store, you'll come to see the main restaurant at Aulani, Makahiki, which offers both breakfast and dinner. If you're interested in doing character dining at Aulani, that would be the buffet breakfast at Makahiki. The Olelo Room Bar and Lounge is a great place to grab a drink and listen to the live music that they have at nighttime. Now we're going to head outside and get our first glimpse at the garden pathway and the outdoor eating space for both Makahiki and the Olelo Room. And there's the lobby where we just were. Before starting on our room tour, I just wanted to give an idea of where our room was located at the resort. We had a standard room and the type is ocean view, so you're facing the inner gardens and you can see the ocean from our room. The first thing you'll notice stepping into the room is we have a fairly standard Keurig coffee maker that other Disney resorts also have, the resort TV, and then stepping into the bathroom, there is a single sink. My favorite part of the bathroom was actually you have both a shower and a tub, and the tub is a very deep soaking tub, which was so nice, as well as the H2O Plus Disney bath products. You have a separate toilet area, and then some beautiful Hawaiian fish artwork. Coming back into the room, I really couldn't help myself. I made a beeline straight for the balcony. Mickey lamp with the surfboard. Because just look at this view. Now, as for the rest of the inside of the room had a sofa, king-sized bed, and some more beautiful Hawaiian pieces of art. Let's take a walk through the beautiful gardens as we head towards Olina Beach. Aulani has a huge lazy river that snakes throughout the gardens. As we look back towards the lobby, there is a koi pond, perfect for reflection. Here is one of the kids' play areas, the Menehune Bridge. To the left here is where you would go if you wanted to do the snorkeling option, Rainbow Reef. The Ulu Cafe is a quick service breakfast option at Aulani, and we took advantage of this almost every day of our trip. Another one of our favorite spots was this little coffee hut, which is on the other side of the Ulu Cafe. This little splash pad area is called Kiki Cove, so cute for the children. We're getting so close to the beach, almost there. We have finally made it to Olina Beach. You can see how calm and serene it is this morning. If you're going to snorkel in the cove, I would suggest doing so in the morning because in the afternoon, visibility can be worse due to all the swimming earlier in the day. As you are coming off the beach, there's a sneaky little adult whirlpool that overlooks the water. A fun fact about Aulani is that either side of the resort is themed to female and male, and you can tell from the murals on the side. We were on the male side. Time for a little change of pace. I'm helping you. No, no, no.